Welcome back, everybody. Today, I'm going to teach you how to take a screenshot and insert it directly into Google Sheets. This is a really useful skill when you need to capture data, images, or specific parts of your screen and add them to your spreadsheet for documentation or reporting purposes. Let's jump right into it. First, you'll need to head over to your browser and navigate to workspace.google.com. Once you're there, go ahead and log into your account using your credentials. This will bring you to your Google Workspace dashboard where you can access all your Google apps and files. Now that you're on the Workspace dashboard, locate and click on the spreadsheet where you want to insert your screenshot. This will open up your Google Sheet, giving you a workspace to both capture and paste your screenshot. Make sure you have the right sheet open, as this is where everything will come together. Let's move on to actually taking the screenshot. On your keyboard, press the Windows key, then Shift, then S all at the same time. This key combination will activate the snipping tool, which is a built-in Windows feature designed for capturing screenshots. You'll notice your screen dims slightly and a small toolbar appears at the top of your screen. This indicates the tool is ready to use. With the snipping tool now active, simply click and drag your cursor across the area of your Google Sheet that you want to capture. This could be a specific range of cells, a chart, or any other part of the sheet that you need to document. Once you release your mouse, the screenshot is automatically captured and saved to your clipboard. You won't see any confirmation message, but rest assured it's stored and ready to be pasted. Now comes the easy part. Head back to your Google Sheet, click on the cell or area where you want the screenshot to appear, and press Ctrl and V together on your keyboard. This will instantly paste the screenshot you just captured directly into your spreadsheet. You can then resize or reposition the image by clicking and dragging its corners or edges to fit your layout perfectly. And that's it. You've successfully taken a screenshot and inserted it into your Google Sheet. This method is quick, efficient, and doesn't require any third-party tools or extensions. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.